Hello together, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Today's menu are these lovely oven baked Iberico pork chops. So let's make it. We want to start with these lovely chops. Look at this. Wow, this is just gorgeous, yeah, isn't it? So we got some fresh oregano, garlic, onion, we got salt and pepper. Yeah, we're gonna start in our mortar adding some salt, our fresh oregano, our garlic, and we're gonna just add a little bit of pepper, and we're gonna prepare a paste with it. Yeah, just standard, just basic. If you want a paste, let's make it carefully and just let's speed this up. Yeah, so now once our paste is just done, we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil and we're gonna just kind of massage or paint our chops with it. The main idea for it is that the paste stick to the meat. That's it, nothing else. Yeah, so we're gonna add the half of our paste from one side and the other half for the other side. Yeah, just as you see, we're gonna massage it, just like every part of it, get a little bit of our paste, which is our marinade as well. Yeah, of course. Just now we're gonna turn it and repeat the procedure just as you see it. It's just basic, very easy. Yeah, look. Now we are done. We can just leave it on the side to marinate for a couple of hours or on the fridge over the night. In the meantime, we're gonna cut some onion rings. I got 3 onions. I'm just gonna do rings just as you see here, and we are gonna also cut our fresh oregano. Just chop it just like that, not a big deal. We just need a little bit of flavor for our onions and as well as for our meat. Yeah, and right now, just after we cut all of these 2 ingredients, yeah, we got our oven tray. We're gonna add a little bit of oil. We are gonna make a bed with our onions, as you may see with our rings, just like you see it. Yeah, it of course depends how many chops you have. You have to add more or less onion, or you're gonna make it bigger or smaller. Yeah, after we have our bed of onions, we're gonna add our fresh oregano on top of it. Yeah, and we're gonna season it with salt, pepper, a little bit of sugar, and a vinegar. Yeah, just we need a little bit of acidity here. It's very nice. So just like that, you see, slightly touch of salt, slightly touch. Now it's a slightly touch of sugar and pepper. As you see, a little bit of this is vinegar, and that's it. Now we finish with a little bit of olive oil as well, and now we're gonna cover our onion with our chops, and we are ready to go to the back oven. Yeah, in the meantime, we got preheated back oven, and we're gonna cover our chops at the beginning, just like we don't want to burn it. We want to cook it but not burn it, and we're gonna finish it up with a grill option in the oven. Yeah, as you see, look lovely. Now we're gonna cover it with aluminum foil because we're gonna cook it but not burn it and not overcook it. Yeah, and just now preheated the oven. Look, I got 185 degrees, and after 30 minutes, I guess 35 minutes, look, now it's the time I'm gonna do my grill function. Yeah, and I'm just gonna grill it for a few minutes, maybe 5 or 7 minutes. Yeah, it depends on your oven. And look, this is our result. Now it's very easy. We're gonna go to plate it on our plate, and we're gonna mix all our onion with the fat that was formed. Yeah, everything on the tray, and this will be on the side of it. You can of course put it on top of it, but on the side it's very nice because each person can grab a little bit and put it on top or on the side. They are just very nice onions. This is just very easy one. You can use some mashed potato or some potatoes, cooked potato, or potatoes, edges, wedges. There is a lot of look. This is the rest of our fat. We're gonna just, of course, add this little bit of flavor. So everyone, I hope you like it. Look, very, 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 very easy, very tasty as well, these Iberico pork chops. So if you like it, please leave your like behind the video, any comment, of course, as well. Thank you. Cheers.